How is your first session on onboarding so far? Since the minute you contacted me and you signed up with the Legacy Business Program, how is your experience with me so far?
To be honest with you, it's a little bit better than I expected. In fact, a lot better than I expected. One of the reasons that I went with you was because of you, number one. Number two, the perks that you offered. But something you'd said in one of your videos really resonated with me, and that is the help that you were going to give me. And I kept thinking, it doesn't matter if I'm getting the same course from someone else. It doesn't matter if I got the biggest Ferrari or biggest car in the driveway. If I have no gas to get anywhere, how am I going to get it out of the driveway? So, you walking me through step by step, and it's been a godsend. I don't know how long it would have taken me to do if I had done it on my own.
Let me tell you this, Donald. The reason why people fail online because of two things. The number one thing is the technical part, which we are doing right now together on the sessions, right?
Mm-hmm.
Some people outsource this. Let's say they set it up and you get a client. You don't know how to help a client.
Exactly.
And that client, why would that client sign up with you if you don't offer that client a bonus?
Correct.
So this is the reason why I created this whole system, that I can actually coach my clients one-on-one, and then I'll also teach them at the same time while we are setting things up and recording everything. So this way they are knowledgeable, and once they are set up and understand everything, they can actually help others. That's how you make money online, by actually sharing your knowledge and your skills with others.
Perfect.